Well, in yet another one of the never-ending series of mistakes, it is the purchases that I make on the Facebook Marketplace. Here's another. The MITM 2405 pressure washer. It's got 2 flat tires. It's got some kind of a pump. It's got some kind of a motor. Specifically, the 11 horsepower synchro balanced industrial commercial engine from Briggs & Stratton. It's got an old gas tank full of old gas. It's got some kind of a busted carburetor. It's got old rusty valves, a busted looking hose, and it has badges that cannot be read. It's got a lot of crusty looking stuff down there. It's got wires. It's got a light and a switch and a muffler and a fuel filter, I guess. Oil. How do you do that? Ooh. Well, it's got oil in it. That's something. It's got a gauge right there. Look at that. 4,000 PSI. I don't know anything about this, but I'm gonna find out. First step, clean it. Simple green. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's clean now. I'll clean it better.